Skype for Business puts KU's global address list at your fingertips. The quickest way to find someone via Skype for Business is to search for them by last name in the search box on the Contacts tab. The results display automatically. Add a contact to your Skype for Business contacts list. Your contacts list simplifies your communications and lets you see presence and contact information for the people you communicate with the most. To add someone as a contact, select Contacts from the left-hand menu. In the search window, type the last name of the person you want to add. The search results will automatically appear below the search bar. Right-click on the contact. Select a group to add your new contact to, or select Add Contact if you do not have groups created. After you have searched, to hide the results, select the X in the search box. Note: you don't have to add someone to your contacts list in order to communicate with them. Simply search for them in the Contacts tab, then select their name in order to see the communication options. Create a group. You can set up a group for each team you work with so you can see at a glance who's available at any given time, or communicate with the entire team at once. To create a new group, select an existing group on the Contacts tab in the main Skype for Business menu. Select Contacts from the top menu bar. Select New Group. In the space that opens up at the bottom of the window, type over the phrase New Group to give your group a name.